So welcome to eTop Technology Tech News. So I don't know if you've heard, but the FBI is asking you to restart your router. Why is the FBI asking you to restart your router? Well, there's this really big botnet running called VPNFilter. They managed to figure out how to crack the Linux kernel that's running on your family's router that you got from the provider. And by rebooting it, since the FBI, well, let me step back a bit. The FBI took over the domain that the botnet users were using to let the malware go from stage 1 to stage 2. So by rebooting the router, it forces it back to stage 1. So it breaks that botnet from functioning. So please reboot your router. And the other piece of that is start looking at going with especially for your business, a real unified threat management firewall. So I'll say UTM from now on, but that's what unified threat management is, or UTM means, is unified threat management. I'm going to say it a lot, so I apologize. But take a look at real UTMs. They will provide security. They typically are updated much more frequently, whereas that little router that you got from your Frontier, Spectrum, whomever you're using, probably hasn't been updated since the day that it was made. And you probably don't know how, if it does have an update. That's why we use these unified threat management firewalls for our clients. They provide current, up-to-date firmware that's always functioning, and they have different layers of security built into them. So the point of this, reboot your firewall, reboot your router, and then if you're concerned about security, give us a call.